Welcome back, guys. In this episode we go back to the spot where I found 5 grams in just a few hours and found my biggest nugget. So the aim was to go upstream of where I found this gold and hopefully find where the source is. But as you're going to see, the gold isn't always better upstream. A lesson tough learned.
We're back, guys. This should be a pretty good video, or a couple of videos. We've made it back to the spot where we got a lot of gold a few months ago, but brought the detector, just a GM 1000, so nothing special. Obviously we don't know what we'll find here. These damn things, bloody blackberry bushes. We'll have to find our way across that. This stuff is the devil's fence, I tell you. It'll just stick like shit on a blanket, really. There's a little creek we're crossing now, which is why the blackberry is there, but it's not the one, it's not the droid we're looking for. I can't actually go this way just because it's so thick. It just rips up your hands and it's not great to do that out in the bush. Obviously bacteria and whatnot, so got the gloves on. Let's circle back and try get around and get to the creek.
After watching a lot of Nick the Prospector and his detecting up north in Queensland, decided to take the detector in with me this time, which was a pain, and have a bit of a go, but found nothing but trash. And I was too impatient to get in the water.
I only made it to the damn creek. So look, there's just blackberry everywhere. It's been so tough getting in here. It's just, yeah, it's an absolute nightmare. You've just missed about an hour and a half of just swearing and cursing at this damn stuff. What I'm going to do, I'm going to jump in a wetsuit because I've just ripped up my shirt getting in here. Jump in a wetsuit and just go up and down in the river. Quicker than getting through all this stuff here. So let's get suited up and have some fun. Alright, I don't know how this will go, but let's have a look. Downriver I saw a little bit of bedrock. So, sorry, I don't know if it's bedrock, but I saw a little bit of something. So we'll go down there and we'll have a look. But should be a lot of crawling today, I think, because as you can see, she's quite dense. So we'll see what we can find. It's nice to have a bit of protection from the old devil's fence. Alright, now we're cruising. That one got through my suit. Right, is it bedrock or is it just stream rock? Let's have a little look. Just stream rock. Bugger. Oh well. We'll head upriver and see if we can find anything upriver.
At this point, it had already taken a couple of hours to get into here, but I kept thinking the better gold must be around the next corner.
It's pretty narrow too, but hopefully I can move a bit of these overhanging vines out the way. You can hear them tearing at the wetsuit. So I put my thinner wetsuit on today just because I knew it was going to get shredded up by this devil's fence. And this is nothing. This is just the stuff that overhangs the river, let alone all your thicker stuff. So yeah, unfortunately I think this may all just be a bust because it's yeah, doesn't really have the right ground. Yeah. Oh well. Oop. Wanted to go up here and check it out, but I don't think she's that great from an enjoyment to effort ratio with these bloody blackberry bushes. It's they're just bloody revoltingly sharp. Yeah, I'd have a little bit more of a look, but I think I'm going to turn around. Come across a bit that looks a bit more rocky than the rest of it, and even potentially maybe some bedrock through here. So let's jump in and we'll just have a quick look around and see if anything in here is workable. A little bit more up there too. If not, we'll head a bit more upstream and then call it. No surprise, dug a bit of a hole, but let me know what you guys think. I can't find bedrock, but the material looks good down there. Just nothing to stop the gold. No bedrock. I'll show you what it looks like so you can learn as well.
While I didn't dig too deep, there was just so many heavies in this area. It made it really difficult and it was so tightly packed, but there was no gold throughout it, obviously.
Oh well, time to try somewhere else. Let's go. I'll just move this big rock out of here and shoveled a heap of the overburden back here just because I found bedrock. So I'm going to have a good look around. There was a little sinker in there, so buckshot. So wait for this to clear and we'll just see what we got. Because so far today this is the best we've found, so we'll just give it a crack. Maybe we'll get something, maybe we won't. We'll find out.
By this point it was well after lunchtime and I realised that the gold just wasn't getting better, even though I kept pushing on further and further, hoping it would. It was a hard lesson to learn that the gold doesn't always get better around the next corner or just that little bit further upstream. In fact, for an entire day's work basically, I only found this one little piece of gold at the bottom of that pit.
Well, that was an exceptional amount of work for one piece of gold. So let's keep going, let's find somewhere else. I ended up packing up from the other place, hiking out, trying another couple of places, but there was just so much blackberry bush that it just wasn't even enjoyable trying to get there and get through. So I've come back to where I was working and got those 5 grams the other day. Just gonna have a bite to eat, bring the spirits back up, and then go and see what we can get. All right, cheers. Lunch is over. Let's get some gold. Oh yeah. A lot more open, which is lovely. Nowhere near as many of those blackberry bushes. That's for sure. I was on my way down and I noticed this bit of bedrock sticking up. So at least it's actual bedrock. I'm going to clear out some areas around it and just give it a quick try. I think I'd be crazy not to. I'll be back. Glad I stopped here. Got our second bit of gold for the day. It's not big, but hey, it's pretty close to the surface. It's pretty easy digging in here, and it's just in there a little piece. So I'll get the other camera and I'll show you. But it's just in here. Let's suck it up. What I've been doing, because it's so shallow here, but I'm getting consistently little gold, I'm just making up little dams as I go, just to help slow down the water and bring up the level. So I'll show you a couple more little pieces. It's going to be a bit too close, but you'll get the picture.
I was stoked to finally be getting some small pieces of gold consistently, but I spent a bit too much time here and I actually didn't get to work the spot where I found all that gold, which was just downstream. As you'll see next, I was just too tired, it was too cold and it's too late. And I did intend to go back to the spot, but due to a few reasons, I actually never got to go back and see what else could have been there. But that was alright, because over the next few days, me and Will tried another area where we did quite well.
Well, I made it back to where I worked the other day and pulled 5 grams out of this area, but yeah, sun's going down and I've only got my thin wetsuit on, so this area is quite deep and it's a bit murky, if you can see, so quite a bit murkier than last time. Can't really see a heck of a lot, so might give it a miss today, let the water clear up tomorrow and come up stream tomorrow. So let's hike back to the car and we'll call it a day, set up camp, come back tomorrow. Gonna get changed, load the gear up, and let's head and find a place to camp. Oh, bloody bushes, I tell you. They're savage, eh? Not a bad spot, but it's missing something. Much better. Righto, now it's time to have something to eat, have a quick wash, and we'll do the weigh up, and I'll show you what we've got today. Won't be much, but it'll be something. Righto, it's a bit later. Yeah, not expecting too much from this at all. Not even sure if it's really worth weighing, but not too much at all, unfortunately. Ah well, hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Time for the weigh up. Biggest piece of the day, 0.1. Ah well, so put on the little pan, tear it off, and we'll see what we got. I reckon we got 0.4. Ah, 0.5. Definitely not a great day, but that's what you get when you go testing. So there you go. Not a heck of a lot. Did spend almost all the day traveling and then trying to go upstream to see if it would get any better, the bedrock, but you saw the blackberry bushes. It was a bit sort of unenjoyable going through all that, so I was hoping it might pay off. Yeah, won't be going in there again. It's just not worth the sort of the pain for the reward. So tomorrow we're going to start hitting the creeks around here, and we'll see what we get. It's a lot nicer to work around here, and Will join us in the morning.
Make sure you subscribe and share the video, guys. In the next episode, me and Will, after a slow start, get onto the gold and we have an absolute blast and find plenty of gold. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.